How to fix something went wrong Instagram. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, whether you're using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Restart the app, close the Instagram app completely and then reopen it. Update the app, ensure you're using the latest version of Instagram. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store to check for updates. Log out and back in. Log out of your Instagram account and log back in. Check Instagram's status, sometimes the issue might be on Instagram's end. Check sites like Down Detector to see if others are experiencing issues. Reinstall the app, uninstall Instagram and then reinstall it from the App Store. Check for device updates, ensure your device's operating system is up to date.